In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Uppromote affiliate marketing for Shopify. Start by going to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you manage your store settings, apps, and overall setup. Once you are inside the admin area, navigate to Settings, then click Apps and open the Shopify App Store. This will take you to the marketplace where you can find and install tools that work with your Shopify store. In the Shopify App Store search bar, type Uppromote affiliate marketing. When the app appears in the results, click on it to open the app page. Take a moment to confirm that you have selected the correct app. Then click Install App. Shopify will guide you through the connection process. Follow the prompts on the screen to add the app to your store and complete the installation. After the app is installed, open the Uppromote dashboard. This is where you will manage your affiliate program and customize how affiliates interact with your brand. Inside the dashboard, go to Settings. In this section, you can customize the affiliate registration page layout so it matches the look and feel of your store. Add your brand logo so the page appears professional and consistent with your branding. You can also define the required fields that affiliates must complete when signing up. This is useful because it helps you collect the exact information you need while keeping the registration process organized and clear. Once your registration page is set up, copy the generated registration link. This link is what potential affiliates will use to apply to your program. You can place it in your website footer so it is easy to find, or add it to your bio links if you promote your store on social platforms. This makes it simple for creators, partners, or customers to join your affiliate program from different entry points. Next, go to the link and coupon section inside Uppromote. Here, enable the auto-generate coupon toggle. Turning this on allows the app to automatically create coupon codes for affiliates. This can save time and make your affiliate program easier to manage, especially as more people join. It also helps affiliates start promoting your products more quickly because they can receive a ready-to-use discount code without extra manual setup. That covers everything you need to know.